And businesses in general, when do they have to have a Bitcoin strategy? Mike?
Not in our lifetime.
For real? Really?
Bitcoin is not, forget about whether you think it's a fraud, whether you think it's a game and tulip bulbs or not. The small businesses have to worry about how they're going to attract 5 people to produce a product, how they're going to figure out how to sell it and keep the door open and clean up at the end of the day. Small businesses are where the rubber meets the road. They're not dealing in extensive financial transactions. They're dealing in trying to create products that people want to buy. And it's one person selling to one person, much more so than all of the things we talk about.
This is a mania, is it not?
Yes,
it is.
We could. Joe Kerner was asking me about the whole size of it, and that's a problem. I mean, one of the things you could say about this is it's going to be a $1 trillion market, and it's at 250 billion, and it has to get to $1 trillion before people realize, you know what? I've made a huge amount of money, and bears make money, bulls make money, but hogs get slaughtered. There seems to be no element of piggishness among the buyers.
You know, it's amazing. A lot of my friends are millennials, and they've never cared about investing, but all of a sudden they are crazy about it with Bitcoin, with the cryptocurrencies.
Right.
Hasn't that changed the landscape
Bitcoin
here?
to me is not a currency, it's an asset. People debate it all the time,
right.
And I don't know if Bitcoin's the one that survives or some of the other ones happen. The point is, that is interesting, the fact that they would understand I can buy an asset, I can watch its value change, and I can somehow take value and park it in some place where I don't spend it, where I invest it for the future. Because the great thing about, I'm not sure Bitcoins is a great long-term investment because I don't know what's going to happen to it, but I do know a company that makes free cash flow that pays you a dividend every quarter. To me, that is a good idea.
I know you love your dividends.
I love my dividends because my mother used to say to me, never spend the principal, only the interest. So I can invest in an Apple or Microsoft and get paid every 3 months, and I can